In this video, we're taking a close look at the Delta Rhett Pro-Style Commercial Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer, finished in stunning champagne bronze, model 18829-CZ-DST. This faucet promises commercial-style performance, premium durability, and a design that instantly upgrades your kitchen. But is it really worth the investment? Make sure you watch till the end. I'll break down the features, the pros and cons, and who this faucet is truly best for. Product features. Let's start with what the Delta Rhett Pro-Style Kitchen Faucet brings to the table. First, this faucet features a Pro-Style commercial design with a high arc spring spout, giving you plenty of clearance for large pots, pans, and deep sinks. It's perfect for busy kitchens where function matters just as much as style. The pull-down sprayer offers strong water flow and excellent control, making tasks like rinsing vegetables or cleaning dishes fast and efficient. Installation is very flexible. It supports single-hole installation, but it can also fit 1 or 3-hole 8-inch center setups using the included optional deck plate. Plus, the gasket seal helps prevent water from leaking underneath the sink, something many homeowners overlook. One of the standout features is Delta's patented diamond seal technology. This reduces leak points and is designed to last twice as long as the industry standard, helping ensure leak-free performance for the life of the faucet. The Brilliance champagne bronze finish isn't just about looks, it's corrosion-resistant and tested to withstand at least 2 times the industry standards, so it won't peel, chip, or fade over time, even with heavy daily use. On top of that, this faucet is lead-free compliant, meeting all U.S. safety and performance standards. And finally, it's backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, so you can install it with confidence. Now let's talk honestly about the pros and cons. Pros: beautiful pro-style commercial design that elevates any modern kitchen. Durable champagne bronze finish that resists corrosion and discoloration. Diamond seal technology for long-lasting, leak-free operation. Flexible installation with included deck plate. Strong pull-down sprayer with excellent reach and control. Lead-free, certified, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Cons: the premium design and brand reputation mean it's not a budget faucet. The tall, commercial-style height may feel oversized for very small kitchens. Brushed gold finishes may require occasional wiping to keep fingerprints away. Overall review. So, is the Delta Rhett Pro-Style Commercial Kitchen Faucet worth buying? In my opinion, yes, especially if you want a faucet that combines professional performance, long-term durability, and upscale design. This faucet is ideal for homeowners who cook often, want restaurant-style functionality at home, and value reliability over cheap replacements. With Delta's proven engineering, corrosion-resistant finish, and lifetime warranty, this is a faucet designed to last for years, not just look good on day one. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest kitchen faucet reviews, and check out the product link in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.